Friends, Ren and the 8th here, back in the kitchen. I want to see how many padlocks. I want to see if I can spin. Spin these 2 padlocks I have at the same time. If both of these can be spinning at the same time. Let's start off with this one and this one. Jeez, this one doesn't really want to spin. Maybe because it doesn't have much momentum. Jeez. Come on. Gosh. There we go. Now I'm going to try it now. See if I can. There we go. This one spun for a bit longer than I expected. But I guess this one, I guess the fact that this one is thicker, thus having more mass, may be a contributing factor as to why this one spins longer, as to why this one spins for longer than this one. Oh! Here goes that one. So with that being said, until next time, drive safely!